the game, Ozzy? Sino ba?
Well, definitely, although she had some setbacks with her service errors, but all throughout the game, just very powerful spikes from this girl, Cha Cruz.
And Ricky Flores is with her now. Ricky?
Yes, I am. I am with Cha Cruz. She has 12 points and 9 attacks. So, Cha, first question. Your next game is on Saturday. What do you have to do till then para masigurado na medyo error-free na yung game nyo?
First, kasi sobrang katulad kanina, sobrang dami namin errors, especially sa service. So siguro doon kami more on magfo-focus. And then sa blocking, kasi medyo na-off timing kami. But then sa receive, siguro follow-up na lang. Pero mag-focus kami sa service kasi sobrang dami naming errors.
Okay, you know what? Speaking of too many errors, do you think that your exam week had something to do with it? Do you think that your exam week had something to do with it?
Probably. Kasi siguro sobrang stress, so sobrang siguro wala sa focus, but then hindi namin tinitingnan yung nasa reason kung ba't kami nagkaka-errors. Pero pwede.
Okay, so what's your favorite subject?
Subject, biology.
Biology. Okay, so is there anybody you'd like to greet?
Yes. Hi nga pala kay Ate Mickey. And sa family ko, sa dad ko, nasa LA. Hi. Saka sa lola ko, nauwi sa San Diego. Take care. Saka hi sa family ko, sa mga kapatid ko. Yun lang. Saka sa friends ko from Obando. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Cha Cruz. Congratulations again, Chicky and Mosey.
All right.